Monire mosa, tampoco de Dani. Oh God. So in this video, we are looking at the traveling by air. So many of you would want to visit Malawi, and so you need to know the language of that. How do you communicate to people in Malawi about your trip, about your journey? So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. Okay, so traveling by air, we have 2 pages to cover. I will try to be as quick as I can, but also still allowing time to explain where I need to explain. So traveling by air, kwenda pa ndege. Ndege is aeroplane, but it's still kwenda means traveling or walking. We use kwenda. But if you are telling someone, where are you going? That is different. So where are you going? Mkuya kochi. I'm going to Nkuluta ku Nkuluta. Kwenda is like walking, but traveling by air, we also say kwenda pandege. How are you going to the UK? Titende pandege. Kwenda pandege. Titende pandege. So kwenda it's something closer to flying, but flying has a different meaning as well. We'll look into flying in a minute. But yeah, I'm traveling by air. You can tell your relatives. Titende pandege. Okay. Aeroplane, ndege. Sky, mlengalenga. Mlengalenga means the sky. Air, mpepo. Airport, chiwanja cha ndege. As we said, ndege is an aeroplane. Chiwanja is like ground. So it's a ground for the plane. We call it chiwanja cha ndege. So you can use also chiwanja if you're asking someone, chiwanja ichi nchanjani? Who owns this land? Like there's a massive piece of land. We call it chiwanja. Chiwanja means big, open ground. So yeah, chiwanja ichi nchanjani. Or chiwanja cha ndege, meaning the airport. Luggage, vikwama. So someone will ask you, muna vikwama viringa? Or muna vikwama viringa is how many bags do you have? Vikwama viringa. Viringa is how many? Okay. So vikwama, V-I-K-W-A-M-A, luggage. Vikwama is plural, like luggages. Chikwama means one. Chikwama means one. But the vikwama means plural. It's many luggages. A hand luggage, this is why he was saying chikwama cha maoko or cha maoko. Maoko is hands. So chikwama cha maoko would mean a hand luggage. Vikwama va maoko would mean a hand luggages. Luggages vikwama. Luggage as single, chikwama. Chikwama chimoza. Vikwama viwili. Vikwama vitatu. Meaning chimoza means one, viwili, two, vitatu, three. This is how we count. I probably already made counting, but if I haven't, that will be my next video. So we can know how to count things in tumbuka. Okay. Booking. I guess we use a borrowed word here, kubuka or kugula. Booking tickets, kugula matikiti. Kama tikiti mwagula, have you bought the tickets? Have you bought? Mwabuka ndege. Hurry up. Yendesha ninge. Yendesha ninge has some form of respect to it. You cannot. This is how you communicate to someone who you respect, like order, because the age is respected in my community a lot. You don't speak to older people as if you are speaking to a young person. So endesha ninge has respect to it. Endesha means you are telling a small child say hurry up, but for a small child. Endesha, is single. Endesha ning. You are talking to someone, to an adult. Air ticket, tikiti ya ndege. So, depart, kunyamuka. Tanyamuka is meaning we are departing, as we are going, we are leaving. Tanyamuka. Sometimes people will use kuuka. Ndege yauka. Kuuka means as in waking up, mainly. When you are waking up in the morning, you ask people, mauka uri, meaning good morning. But it can also mean tauka. Tauka is meaning we are leaving. Tauka. Tawuka. Okay. So this is a K U M A Y N U K K. Okay. Arrival. Kufika. So you would say titifikenge namise. Who arrive in the afternoon. Namise. Kufika 5 o'clock. They will still understand what you are telling them. Arrival is 5 o'clock. Kufika 5 o'clock. Landing. Kutera. So when ndege yatera, meaning the plane has landed, or kutera. But kutera meaning is chichewa. But tumbuka, we also use this kutera. Ndege yatera, kuma kutera. But kutera can also mean something else when you have surrendered. To surrender means natera. Yeah. So we would also mean kutera as any landing yet. The plane has surrendered. Yatera, it has landed. But kutera also means surrendering. Natera. Surrender or something that has shocked you. You can also say, natera manayura. Oh, that child, natera. I'm loss of words. Like it's too much. I can't understand that. Natera, in natera. It's too much. She's too this, too that. In natera. That boy is very difficult. Natera. My son is this. Natera. So meaning, like, I've given up, but something like that, close to I've given up, but you are loss of words, sort of. Natera. Getting off, ukira. Kirani, meaning you're asking someone to say, get off the plane, or I'm getting off, ukira. You can't talk about yourself to say kirani. Kirani, you mean someone else. You're asking someone else to get off. But kukira, it's you now, you are getting off. So kukira is the process of getting off. Get in, kweran. Getting in, meaning kweran mundege. Get in the plane. Goodbye. Mwende makora. Bye-bye. Mwende makora. You will hear this a lot when you are leaving Malawi. Mwende makora. Mwende makora. Because people are saying goodbye to you. Mwende makora means have a nice journey. Have a nice journey. Bye-bye. Have a nice journey. Mwende makora. Yeo. Taruta. 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 Taruta means goodbye. Taruta. We're going. And we say, mwende makora, yeo. Welcome. Tampokererani. So when I'm starting the video, I'm like, tampokererani. It means welcome to this channel. Usually I would say, tampokererani, vamama, vadada, na vashinyamata, pa chitumbuka, na roreni. So tampokererani means welcome. So everyone will be smiling when you say tampogererani. He's full of smiles. Oh, tampogererani means you're most welcome here. So welcome home. Tampogererani pa chikaya chino. This is your home. Chikaya. Chikaya means home. So, or you can say pakaya or paquino. This is your home. Paquino means yours, you know. So tampogererani pa chikaya chino. Paquino. Tampogererani paquino means your home. Okay. This is the last page. Fog, chifunga. So recently we've had chifunga being blamed for the plane crash in Malawi. Although the research is pointing, the investigation is pointing to something else. Not necessarily the fog, but that is what we were told. Kunali chifunga, there was a lot of fog. Clouds, mawingu, soaring or rising, kukwera. So, like an eagle, when we say the eagle is soaring, or ndege, the aeroplane is rising, is going up. It's going up. Ndege yakwera mchanya. Oh, that plane has gone too high, you know. Heat, I'm saying heating, heat, chitukivu, kocha. Okay, hot, kocha. Heat, chitukivu. Oro, kwatukira. Kwatukira means it's a feeling. You are saying, I'm feeling hot. Tukira. Chitukivu is a noun, heat. Chitukivu, meaning it's there. Chitukivu jafuma, as in the heat has come out. So you're talking about it, not necessarily as in you are feeling it. Rain, vula. Vula yalokwa? The rain has fallen. Kulokwa means falling. But that is only for vula, for rain. You cannot say a child wavula as walokwa. Only vula imalokwa. Vula yalokwa. You can, although kulokwa wavula means the rain is falling, but falling as in when you have fallen, you cannot use kulokwa. Kulokwa only applies for rain. Falling from the chair is kuwa. Mana wawa. Nawa, meaning you have fallen, or the child has fallen. Wawa, as in W-A-W-A, kuwa. But wawa can also mean delivery. Hey, mana wawa, meaning a child has been born. So let's get back to vura rain, kurokwa vura. Rain is falling, vura kurokwa. Sweat, mavuchi. Nafuma mavuchi. Kufuma means I'm sweating. So sweating, kufuma mavuchi. Traveled safely. This is past tense now, but tenda makora. You're telling someone who've traveled safely, you say tenda makora. Oro, tikenda makora, if you are talking about fast, like not like something that has just happened, but tikenda means like way back, few weeks back. You'd say tikenda because you're talking about the past, not recent past. Tenda makora means you've just completed the journey and you are telling people, oh, we had a nice journey. We traveled safely. Tenda makora. How many hours? It's tole mawara yalinga. So someone is asking, tole mawara yalinga from where you are. Is it US or wherever you're coming from? It just means they're asking you how many hours you would take. So Yeah, it's my housemate. I think they will be making noise, but I hope it will not be too much. So weather, mphepo, oru, chipungupungu. But it just explains about yeah, mphepo can mean air, but also the weather as in general, whatever form of weather it is, people express it in form of air. Kwa chauli, you would say, hey, kuno kuawavula. But he is, but actually what they're asking for is the weather. Kwa chauli. Kwa chauli kuwa. Meaning, how is the outside? How is the weather? Plane crash, ndege yawa. Plane turned, ndege yang'anamuka. Turning is kung'anamuka. Turn right, ng'anamukirani kumazere. Turn left, ng'anamukirani kumaliero. Left kumazere, right kumaliero. Maliero means the hand that you use for eating. Kulia means eating. So the right side, say kumaliero. Left side, kumazere. Helicopter, ndege ya helicopter. It's a borrowed word, helicopter. Time, nyengo. Nyengo ya mara. Time is gone. Flying, kuruka. I said earlier on that you all have flying as a kuruka, kuruka. So the way the plane flies, kuruka. Insects, they also fly, or indeed there's too much noise coming. Get a taxi, toran taxi. Taxi is also an English borrowed word, so we just say taxi. Anyway, we're about to finish. So let me see if I can restart. Sorry about that. So yeah, get in a bus or jump in a bus, grand bus. Bicycle, ninjinga, but the commonest word used is kabaza. So kabaza can be a bicycle or can be a motorcycle where there are people who are looking for people to carry and you pay them. That business is called kabaza. Or they haven't stopped, they haven't finished. It's still noisy. Yeah, so motorcycle is tututu. Oro, njinga ya moto. Tututu, njinga ya moto. Like I said, if you are hiring, then it's all classified as kabaza. Kabaza, that's the commonest. And you hear a lot about kabaza because it's quite it's an informal type of transport, but it's common in most areas where there isn't, maybe there's shortage of buses and that. Check in, kusecha pakunjira. Check out, kusecha pakufuma. Kunjira means entering. Kufuma means getting out. So kusecha is like searching you, like when you're being checked, searched. Yeah, okay. I forgot to include things like passport, which has the same, we still call it passport. Passport yako iliko. It's a borrowed word from English. Let me stop sharing because this is now the end. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed because I enjoyed making it. So if you benefited something, please like the video and also follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, so that we can grow the channel together. It's a small channel, we're just starting, but the more we grow, the more you push me to do more. But yeah, so taonga, zuwa liweme. Have a good day. Yeah. Bye. Naruta. Yew, yew. Bye.